The Jeep Grand Cherokee is the perfect daily driver. In this video, we're gonna show you a couple things that we can do to make it look awesome. If you're anything like me, then driving a grocery getter like this one every day in stock, unmodified form just wouldn't cut it. So we had a customer that owns this Jeep. It's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. They call this the WKII platform. He never had a Jeep before and he wanted to buy this Grand Cherokee and make it look a little bit different. So what we're doing is a real simple rough country 2.5-inch lift and then some upgraded wheels and tires. In the front, we've got it pretty much together. The struts are all assembled, but the front part of this kit is pretty basic. It includes a preload spacer, so that means we have to take the front strut apart and put a spacer inside there and put it back together. And it also includes a top mount spacer. So there's two different ways there that we're achieving a little bit of lift in the front, about 2.5 inches. Now, because these vehicles are independent suspension, both front and rear, that's really gonna be the about max suspension lift that you're gonna be able to get out of one of these things and still get decent alignment specs. In the back, the suspension's pretty easy there as well too. Back here we use a coil spring spacer and a shock spacer to get the amount of lift that we needed out of there. These vehicles are kind of difficult to get the alignment specs right, but we've got our Hunter Hawkeye alignment machine and a lot of know-how, and we can usually get them there. Now I want to show you these wheels and tires. These are pretty sweet. These are the KMC XD Grenade. I think this is a classic look wheel, black and machined. We're gonna be fitting a 265/70/18 on this wheel. As you can tell, this wheel is very positive. I like positive things. This thing is like a +38, so it's gonna keep it pretty tight and fit really nicely in the wheel wells of this Grand Cherokee. I can't wait to see what it looks like all together. We're gonna show you some awesome footage of that. If you love this video, let us know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well.